Okay, here's the next update. Let me move some stuff out of the way. I finished putting all the wood paper on these, and I've glued them together. These pieces interlocked and kind of pushed some of the paper in the front top, I think it was. No? Well, I can't see it now, so that's good. And then I assume this is how this fits together. This piece was inside of these two, and then outside of that one. And the same for this one. That's the only way they seem to fit together. So hopefully when I take this apart, it's not going to fall apart. So that's kind of cute, that little bookshelf. Doop doop, seems sturdy. Oh great, work is messaging. And then here's this cabinet with that all the way around. And then this is the top that's going to go on there. And then this is the little door, and I need to glue in the handle and then glue it on. So that's where we're at now with these guys here. And then I have another cabinet to do next. So that's my next step. And I have ordered a mount to put my phone on, so possibly I can show this in a little more detail. Thanks for tuning in.